Exercise 5, student book, page 63. Grammar. Non-defining relative clauses. Choose the correct alternatives in the sentences based on the text on page 62. So in this exercise, guys, you have to use you have to choose the correct relative pronoun, okay? And we said that if I'm talking about a person, then I'm going to choose who. If I'm talking about, a place, I choose where. If I'm talking about time, then I'm using when. If I'm talking about things or animals, I'm using which. And if I'm talking about, a person, but who happens to be the object of the sentence, we choose whom. Okay. Number two, several ice ages, which, when, who, glacier covered much of Earth's surface have taken place. So in this one, I'm talking about ice ages, العصور المتجمدة, which is really a period of time. So I'm talking about a time, then I'm going to use when. لأني بتكلم عن فترة من الوقت وهي فترة العصور المتجمدة. Okay. Geologists, who study Earth's formation and its rocks, find out what happened in the past by looking at layers of rock. In this sentence, I'm trying to add an extra information about the geologists وهم علماء الأرض. So we say who لأنهم أشخاص. In the Antarctic, which, where plants and animals face a harsh cold environment, archaeologists have found evidence that this area was once much warmer. So, Antarctic, it's a place, وهو القطب المتجمد. So it's easy, I'm going to say where. Humans, whose, which activities cause global warming need to take action. Okay, in this one, I'm talking about humans, obviously people, الأشخاص, but do not, rush into using who, because I'm talking not about them personally, no, I'm talking about their activities. أنا ما بحكي عن الأشخاص بحد ذاتهم، لأ، أنا بتكلم عن الactivities، الأنشطة أو سلوكات هؤلاء الأشخاص، things that belong to them، الأشياء اللي بتخصهم أو اللي بتنتمي إلهم، وهي سلوكاتهم activities. So ما تستعجلوا ونحط who، لأ، الإجابة راح تكون whose. Humans whose activities cause global warming need to take action. الإنسان اللي تصرفاته تسبب الاحتباس الحراري لازم يقوم بأخذ الإجراءات الاحترازية أو إجراءات حتى يقلل من الاحتباس الحراري. Okay, let's move to exercise 2, workbook, page 44. Complete sentences with the correct relative pronoun. أكمل الجمل باستخدام الضمائر الموصولة المناسبة. This phone I bought second hand is just as good as a new model. Now كلمة second hand تعني مستخدم. يعني لما أحكي my laptop is second hand يعني هو جهاز مستعمل. أوكي. second hand جهاز مستعمل أو شيء استخدم من قبل وأنا اشتريته يعني مش جديد. أوكي. So I'm talking about a phone. So this is a thing. I say this phone which I bought second hand is just as good as a new model. That girl name I have forgotten goes to my school. Okay, so I'm talking about a person, but once again I'm talking about things that belong to her. Okay, نحكي عن الاسم اللي هو بينتمي للبنت أو للشخص أو لهذه الفتاة، فبالتالي we say whose name I have forgotten. هاي هي البنت اللي اسمها أنا نسيته بتروح معاي على المدرسة. الزهراوي وهو من علماء المسلمين was a surgeon, developed many medical instruments still in use today. كان جراحا, okay, which is a person, so I say who was a surgeon. People say the author's latest book, I haven't read yet, is quite good. So, in this one I'm talking about the book, the latest book of the author, آخر مؤلفات هذا الشخص، وإنه أنا لسه ما قرأت هذا الكتاب فبحكي which I haven't read yet. إذن why we said which؟ لأنه I'm trying to add an extra information about the book. إنه هذا الكتاب أنا لم أقرأه بعد. Global warming is a subject I'm very interested in. This is the topic of the conference. الاحتباس الحراري اللي هو الموضوع اللي أنا مهتم فيه جدا، هو موضوع هذا المؤتمر. Okay, so global warming, it's a topic, it's a subject which I am interested in. المادة اللي أنا مهتم فيها أو اللي أنا مطلع عليها.